Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy USDT on Binance, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Binance app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Binance apps on the screen, where you can see there is a wallets option which is at the bottom right corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on that wallets and make sure you are in this overview section, and now you can see there is a buy crypto option at the middle of this screen, which is at the right side of this P2P icon or option. So let's tap on that buy crypto, and now you can see there is a buy USDT option. So once you tap on it, you can change your crypto from here. So we're gonna buy USDT for now, so let's tap on the USDT. And now you can also change your payment method. Simply tap on the pay with option, and you will be redirected to the another section where you can see there is a two payment method, and you can also see there is a reason at the right side of this P2P trading. So once you tap on it, you can change your country and your region from here successfully. So let's close it for now and let's get back. And now simply enter your amount, let's say 100 USDT or USD. And now finally you need to tap on the add new card, and now you need to give your credentials over here, and yeah, finally tap on the confirm, and yeah, you will be able to buy your USDT on Binance successfully. So basically this is how you can buy USDT on Binance, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.